I get asked constantly about the secret tools I use to create those high-quality graphics and bite-sized social media clips that actually get engagement. People always wonder if I am grinding away in After Effects, Photoshop, or some obscure, expensive VFX suite for hours every single day. Today, I am finally pulling back the curtain on my real workflow, showing you exactly how I combine simple overlays, OBS, a Stream Deck, and Vizard to turn long streams into snackable content. Let's be honest, professional-grade software like After Effects is incredibly powerful, but it is often just too slow and overkill for producing daily social content. The goal is finding that perfect hybrid workflow where you use beautiful overlays for the polish, but let smart AI handle the heavy lifting of clipping your footage. First, we need to focus on your on-screen look by utilizing browser-based overlay packs which act as lightweight, transparent layers for your stream. The best part about these browser-based sources is that they output as clean, transparent files that you can drop directly into OBS without any complex rendering. When you pick your assets, always stick to standard widescreen dimensions so they fit perfectly into your streaming canvas without looking stretched or distorted. Consistency is king, so ensure your color palettes and fonts are set up in the overlay provider before you ever touch your streaming software. By using the provider's control panel, you can toggle elements on or off live during your broadcast without needing to be a graphic designer. Next, you feed these overlays into OBS by simply adding a browser source and pasting in the unique output URL provided by your tool. Make sure to set your background as transparent so your overlays layer perfectly over your game footage or camera feed. You can even copy that same control URL into a custom browser doc in OBS, giving you an on-screen dashboard to change headlines on the fly. If you own a Stream Deck, you can map buttons to these controls, giving you a tactile, professional way to trigger graphics during your live events. Now you just record or stream as you normally would, because the real magic happens in the post-production phase. We avoid editing the entire thing in Premiere Pro because that is a massive time sink when you are trying to scale up to 20 clips per stream. Instead, we upload the raw footage to Vizard, which uses advanced AI to analyze your video for emotional peaks and perfect sound bites. Vizard automatically identifies the moments that are likely to perform, trims them into perfect lengths, and formats them for vertical social media. The content calendar feature is a total game changer, keeping everything organized in one single hub so you are never scrambling to post. You can then easily layer those original overlays you use during the stream onto these short clips to maintain a cohesive brand identity. Once you have the clip, take a few seconds to review the in and out points and make sure your thumbnail or first frame is visually punchy. Finally, you just set your desired cadence in the auto scheduler, and Vizard takes care of pushing those clips to your platforms. This workflow is significantly faster and cheaper than hiring an editor, and it allows you to maintain a massive volume of output consistently. While complex motion graphics still have their place in cinematic projects, daily social content requires energy, context, and a strong hook. Your Stream Deck acts as the live director, while Vizard functions as your tireless, efficient post-production manager. For example, after a competitive gaming match, the AI can instantly pull out the best plays, a reaction montage, and a coach's interview. Whether it is an interview or a podcast, Vizard turns those long hours into a steady stream of quotable moments for your audience. Consistency is absolutely everything when you are building an audience, and this system ensures you never run out of things to post. I highly recommend you try this setup on your next recording because you will be shocked at how much time you save compared to traditional editing. If you need a specific checklist for your next live session, drop a comment with the platform you use most and I will tailor it just for you. Ultimately, this isn't magic, it is just a smarter way to spend your time so you can focus on creating rather than manual labor. Hit the like button if this was useful, subscribe for more workflow tips, and definitely go sign up for Vizard to see the time savings for yourself.